Hello everyone, let's code for day 7 challenge. Here we have to define a function called myfunc. We have name as myfunc that take a string and return a matching string where every even letter is uppercase and every odd letter is lowercase. Here we have pass one string to myfunc function. The letter present at odd position should be in lowercase and the letter present at even position should be in uppercase. These are the steps which we will use to build our code. First one is we have to pass a string to a function, then take one empty list, then create a for loop to move over whole input string. Then we have to add if else condition for check even odd number. Then append each character of input string. Then make it as upper and lower depending on its position. Means we have to convert it into upper or lower case. Then compare each character of input string with the converted. If all the character from the input string doesn't match with the converted list, then return false, else we have to return the concept which we will use in code. Name is a built-in variable which evaluates to name of the current model. List is a group of elements which can enclose within a square braces and it can be changeable. For looping is used to execute one or more statements repeatedly. In if else statement used to check the condition. Append method is used to add the element into the list. Upper and lowercase method are used to change the cases of the string. Then true false is keyword used to check the boolean true or false value respectively. Let's build our code. Here I have passed one input string to a function. Create a one empty list. Then I will use the for loop I in range of 0 to length of input string, that is str. Then we will check the position of the alphabet using the if statement. If I mod 2 double equals to 0, then we have to convert particular character into lowercase. I will write here append method to add the particular character into a list. Then in bracket I will write str of I dot lower. It will convert the particular character at particular position into a lowercase and it will append into a empty list. If position is not even, then we have to convert the case of particular character into a uppercase and append into a empty list. Then we have to check each character of converted list with the input string. For that I will use the if condition h of I not equals to str of I. Then we have to return false, else we have to return true. So this is the logic which we have implemented for our code. We have passed the string animal to it, then create a one empty list, then using the for loop we have iterate over the input string, then we have checked the position of the alphabet. If it's even, then we convert it into a lower. If it's odd, then we have converted into upper. Then we have matched each character of converted list and each character of string. If both are not matched, then return false. Otherwise, outside the loop, we have written true. Let's check our output. This is true as expected. Let me pass one more string here. So now let's check our output. Here we get true for first value, that is animal, which is in our format, and false for second value. which is not in correct format. Thanks for watching video. Let's code for day 8 challenge.